It's very easy to create deployments in SCCM. Let us see the steps. So you have to open the SCCM console, then go to software library and select the software update group which you want to deploy. Right click on the software update group and click on deploy. Then in the next window you have to name the deployment and select the collection on which you want to deploy the software update. So here I have given the deployment name as test and I have selected a collection on which I want to deploy. Then in the next window you have to select available or required from the drop down menu. So both are the two different types of deployment. If you will select required, then updates will get available in software center and will get automatically installed. And if you will select available, then software updates will remain available in the software center and will wait for someone to trigger the installation from software center. So here we have selected required as the deployment type. Then in the next window, you have to select the time zone in which you want to deploy and the specific time for the deployment to be available on the collection. So you can select client local time from the drop down or the UTC, and you can provide the specific time or the date on which you want to deploy the software update. So firstly you have to provide the software available time, that is the time when the software updates will get available in the software center, and second is the installation deadline. So you can choose as soon as possible and also provide the specific time for the deadline. If you choose as soon as possible, then software updates will get installed immediately after they get available in the software center. And if you provide a specific time of the installation deadline, then they will get installed at a particular time during the maintenance window. Then in the next window, you have to just select the options like you want software update installation or system restart outside of maintenance window. Then you have to check both the upper boxes. If you want to allow or suppress the reboots on your servers or workstations, then accordingly you have to check or uncheck the boxes. Also, I would recommend to check the last two checkboxes. For the last checkbox, if you have applied any update and it requires a restart, then after restart, the deployment evaluation cycle will run. Then in the next window, you can select disable operations manager alerts while software updates run so that it will suppress unwanted alerts on your monitoring system when the software updates will get applied. So in the next window, you have to select the options which you can see here, like download software updates from distribution point and install. And the second deployment options, you have to select the second radio button, that is download and install software updates from the distribution point in the default boundary group. So then comes the final window of the deployment creation, and this is the final window which you can see, and just click on next and it will get finished. So deployment creation is complete. So as discussed in the step 3, where we have selected required option or required deployment type, you can also select from the drop down as available to make the software updates available at a particular time. So this is how you can select, and you can also select the specific time of the software updates availability. Thank you for watching this video. For more such technical videos and technical solutions, do subscribe my channel and do post your queries and suggestions in the comments, and I would definitely respond to those. You can also email me your queries and suggestions in the provided email ID in the signature card. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.